This is a tutorial on how to use a password-protected Google form or Google quiz. To do this, you're going to have to go to your Google Drive, make a new Google form. Since this is a quiz, we're going to have to change some settings. If you go up to the settings gear icon, you're probably going to want to collect your email address since it's a quiz, and then also make this a quiz. So just the basics of making this a password protected quiz. I'm going to quickly rename this form tutorial password protect, and then I'm going to just change this first section and I'm going to call it password. Password protecting works by using add a section, and in your first section is where you're going to put your password question. So the first question is just going to be, what's the quiz password? Change this into a short answer question, and then make this a required question. What makes this work then are two features down here in the triple dots. The first one would be data validation. So we want this to have a certain word. So that might be text, or it could be a number if you want it to be. My text, so just for today's sake, is going to be password. Custom error text then is going to be, that's incorrect. And then what you can do is you can just either keep this right here, continue to the next section, or I can also use a different feature called potentially, I'm sorry, I can't do that. So continue to the next section, and that's what we have going on here. So I put a question here. This is a section, so I'm going to call this quiz section. Then I can add my question. What's the best day of the week? Choices are Friday, Saturday, or Monday. Of course, you make your answer key just like you normally would. Go back to your edit, and there we are. So what does this look like? What does this look like for students? If we hit preview, what's the quiz password? If you recall, I called it password. So notice that even as I'm typing, it's saying that's incorrect until I hit the exact phrase that it needs to be. If I were to have used a capital P, it still says that's incorrect, so these are case sensitive. And then I can click next, and now I'm into my quiz. You could change the password when you're in the edit mode after each class. So if I wanted to, I could change the validation right here to a different word for each class. That way kids from first hour can't share the password with second hour, and so on and so forth, to make the quiz easier for them to take. So that's how you can set password protection onto a Google quiz. Hope that